You've felt it before. The sudden, visceral jolt of panic that courses through your body when a car swerves unexpectedly close, or the split-second terror as you almost lose your footing and trip off a curb. That immediate, overwhelming sensation is a primal response, a rapid-fire alarm system within you. In those moments, your heart doesn't just beat faster. It races, pounding against your ribs, propelling blood and oxygen to every cell. Your senses don't just sharpen, they become hyper-alert, processing every detail of your surroundings with incredible speed and precision. But what if I told you that this very fear, this intense physiological reaction, might actually be a crucial component in helping you live a longer, healthier life? It's a concept that challenges our conventional understanding of fear as purely negative.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Fear isn't merely an emotion we experience. It's a deeply ingrained biological imperative, biology's most sophisticated and ancient built-in security system. It's a fundamental mechanism that has been honed over millions of years of evolution, designed to protect us from harm and ensure our survival. When a genuine danger looms, whether it's a physical threat or a perceived one, your amygdala, the almond-shaped region deep within your brain, often referred to as the brain's fear center, doesn't just activate. It goes into immediate, full-throttle overdrive. This triggers a cascade of physiological responses, including the rapid release of powerful stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. Simultaneously, there's a surge of oxygen and glucose directed to your muscles, preparing your body for immediate action. This intricate biological dance is what allows you to react with incredible speed and efficiency. This rapid, involuntary response is precisely the reason you can instinctively sprint away from danger, duck to avoid a falling object, or freeze in place to assess a threat, all before your conscious mind even has a chance to fully process what's happening. It's a testament to the brain's incredible ability to prioritize survival over deliberation, acting on instinct rather than thought. That immediate, powerful reaction isn't a random occurrence. It's the culmination of millions of years of refinement, evolution's most profound and effective masterpiece. It's a finely tuned system that has been perfected through countless generations, ensuring the continuation of our species. Consider our early human ancestors, those individuals who possessed a heightened sense of fear and reacted swiftly to potential threats. Whether it was a predator lurking in the shadows or a sudden change in their environment, were the ones who survived longer than those who were slower to react or lacked that crucial instinct. Their fear was a direct determinant of their longevity. Fear, in its most fundamental form, literally helped to shape the very trajectory of our species. It's a powerful example of natural selection in action. Those early humans who feared correctly, who possessed the most effective and adaptive fear responses, were the ones who lived long enough to reproduce and pass on their cautious, survival-oriented genes to subsequent generations. This continuous cycle of adaptation and survival has profoundly influenced who we are today. Intriguingly, short, controlled bursts of fear or acute stress can actually yield surprising health benefits. Research indicates that these temporary spikes can significantly boost your immune system, making you more resilient to illness. They can also dramatically improve your alertness and focus, sharpening your cognitive abilities, and even strengthen memory consolidation, helping you recall important information more effectively. Numerous scientific studies have consistently shown that mild stress responses, the kind precisely triggered by a momentary fright or a challenging situation, can actively enhance cellular repair mechanisms throughout your body. This means your cells become more efficient at mending themselves and adapting to various stressors, ultimately increasing your overall resilience at a microscopic level. Through these experiences, your body doesn't just react, it learns and adapts. Each encounter with a manageable stressor or a brief moment of fear refines its ability to cope, building a stronger, more resilient physiological system that is better prepared for future challenges. It's a continuous process of biological optimization. However, like many powerful biological mechanisms, too much fear can indeed flip the script entirely, transforming a protective response into a detrimental one. Chronic fear, such as the persistent state of anxiety or prolonged stress, keeps cortisol levels perpetually elevated, which can have severe negative consequences. This sustained elevation suppresses your immune system, making you more vulnerable to illness, and can even cause significant damage to the brain's hippocampus, a critical region for memory and learning. The distinction between acute and chronic fear is paramount for understanding its impact on health. The crucial element, therefore, is finding the right balance, experiencing just enough fear to keep you appropriately cautious, alert, and responsive to genuine threats, but not so much that it overwhelms your system, drains your vital energy, and ultimately compromises your long-term health and well-being. It's a delicate equilibrium that our bodies constantly strive to maintain. Herein lies a significant challenge in our modern world. Our ancient, hardwired brains often struggle to differentiate between a truly life-threatening situation, like encountering a charging tiger in the wild, and the comparatively benign, yet equally stress-inducing pressure of an overdue email or a looming deadline. The physiological response can be remarkably similar, despite the vast difference in actual danger. Consequently, we inadvertently trigger the same intense stress response for both a primal threat and a mundane modern inconvenience. Managing fear effectively in today's complex environment isn't about attempting to eliminate it entirely, which is neither possible nor desirable. Instead, it's about consciously teaching our ancient, instinct-driven brains what truly deserves our full-blown panic and what can be approached with a more measured, rational response. This cognitive reframing is essential for our well-being. So, to answer the central question, can fear genuinely help you live longer? In short, yes, absolutely, but only if it's the right kind of fear. It's about discerning between adaptive, protective fear and debilitating, chronic anxiety. This distinction is crucial for harnessing fear's potential benefits. The occasional, well-timed scare or a brief encounter with a manageable threat serves a vital purpose. It sharpens your instincts, hones your reflexes, and effectively trains your body to protect itself more efficiently when genuine danger arises. These experiences are like a workout for your survival mechanisms, making them stronger and more responsive. Ultimately, this reveals the ultimate paradox of fear. It is an emotion that inherently makes life uncomfortable, often pushing us to our limits and forcing us to confront unpleasant realities. Yet, it is precisely this discomfort, this primal alarm system, that is fundamentally what keeps life going, ensuring our survival and driving us to adapt and thrive. It's a complex, indispensable force in the human experience.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.